folks, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is quantum consciousness leap. Now, just close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath. In this very instant, trillions of quantum events are occurring within your body. Your consciousness is not merely observing reality, it is participating in its creation. Welcome to a journey that will transform how you understand the very nature of existence itself. Today, we explore the quantum consciousness leap, a revolutionary understanding that bridges ancient wisdom with cutting edge science, revealing that you are not a separate entity experiencing the universe, but rather the universe experiencing itself through you. What if I told you that the boundary between your mind and the cosmos is an illusion? That consciousness itself is the fundamental fabric from which all reality emerges. This is not mystical speculation. This is the emerging frontier where quantum physics meets the deepest truth about human awareness. Now let us understand the quantum foundation. To understand consciousness, we must first understand the quantum realm, that mysterious dimension where particles exist in multiple states simultaneously, where observation creates reality, and where the very act of awareness collapses infinite possibilities into concrete experiences. The greatest physicist Werner Heisenberg once said that what we observe is not nature itself, but nature exposed to our method of questioning. This profound insights reveal something extraordinary. Consciousness is not separate from the physical world. It is intimately woven into the very structured so-called cosmos. Consider the double slit experiment, that elegant demonstration of quantum mechanics where particle behaves as waves until observed, then suddenly becomes particles. The mere presence of conscious observation transforms potential into actuality. This is not philosophy, this is measurable, repeatable science telling us that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. But here is where it becomes truly remarkable. Your brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each one a quantum system. It is called the quantum system, capable of existing in superposition until the moment of conscious awareness. Every thought, every perception, every moment of awareness represents countless quantum collapses happening at the speed of consciousness itself. The quantum field, that invisible ocean of infinite potential that underlies all existence, responds to consciousness, not to the brain, not to the neurons, but to the field of awareness itself. This is why ancient traditions spoke of consciousness as the ground of being, the source from which all experiences arises. When you begin to realize that your consciousness is not produced by your brain, but rather expressed through it, everything changes. The brain becomes not the creator of consciousness, but its receiver, its translator, its instrument for navigating the three-dimensional world of form and matter. Now let us understand the mechanics of awareness. Now, for just a present moment, let us dive deeper into the mechanics of how consciousness operates at the quantum level. Every moment of your waking experience involves what scientists call conscious observation, the mysterious process by which the field of infinite possibilities collapses into the single reality you perceive. But here is what most people don't understand. You are not a passive observer of reality. You are an active participant in its creation. The quality of your consciousness, your beliefs, your expectations, your emotional states influences which possibilities become so actualized from the quantum field. Think about this. Quantum entanglement demonstrates that particles can be instantaneously connected across vast distances. When one particle changes, its entangled partner responds immediately, regardless of the space between them. This phenomenon, which Einstein called spooky action at a distance, reveals that separation itself is an illusion at the quantum level. Now, if consciousness operates according to the quantum principles and mounting evidences suggest it does, then your awareness is potentially entangled with all other consciousness, with the very fabric of reality itself. This explains the phenomenon of intuition, of sudden insights, of those moments when you know something without knowing how you know it. The quantum field is non-local. It's called, why non-local is existing everywhere simultaneously. That's the reason it is called non-local. Your consciousness, when aligned with this field, transcends the limitation of space and time. This is why meditation masters throughout history have reported experiences of unity, of expanded awareness of consciousness without boundaries. Modern neuroscience is beginning to validate these ancient insights. Studies shows that during deep meditation, the brain exhibits quantum coherence, a state where neural oscillations synchronize across different regions, creating a unified field of awareness that mirrors the coherent properties of quantum systems. This coherent state is not just peaceful, it's profoundly creative. In coherence, consciousness gains access to the field of infinite possibilities. Problems that seemed unsolvable suddenly reveal their solutions. Creative insights emerge simultaneously, spontaneously. The limitations you once accepted as permanent begin to dissolve. Now, let us contemplate the consciousness leap. As we arrive at the heart of our exploration, the quantum consciousness leap, this is not a metaphor or a philosophical concept. It is a very real shift in the fundamental operating system of your awareness, a transformation that can happen in an instant, but whose effects ripple through every aspect of your existence. The leap occurs when you recognize that consciousness is not something you have, it is something you are. You're not a body with consciousness, you are consciousness with a body. You're not a person having experiences, you are the field of awareness in which all experiences arise and subside. This recognition transforms everything. When you identify with consciousness itself rather than with the contents of consciousness, your thoughts, emotions, sensations, and perceptions, you discover an unshakable foundation of peace and clarity that no external circumstances can disturb. But the leap goes even deeper. As you stabilize in this recognition, you begin to realize that the same consciousness looking out through your eyes is the consciousness looking out through every pair of eyes. The wave discovers it is the ocean. The individual consciousness recognizes itself as universal consciousness, playing countless roles simultaneously. This is not loss of individuality, it is the discovery of true individuality. Like a unique facet of an infinite diamond, you retain your distinct perspective while recognizing your fundamental unity with the whole. Your personality, your talents, your life purpose, all of this remain, but now they are expressions of universal consciousness rather than separate, isolated phenomena. From this expanded awareness, synchronicities becomes natural. The right people appear at the right time, opportunities align effortlessly, what you need comes to you because you recognize that there is no real separation between you and the field of infinite organizing power. The ancient texts spoke of this state as enlightenment, self-realization, and also awakening. Modern quantum physics described it as coherence between individual consciousness and the universal field. Different words, same reality, the recognition that you are both the observer and the observed, the knower and the known, and the dreamer and the dream. This is your natural state. Not something you need to achieve, but something you need to remember. The quantum consciousness leap is really a return, a coming home to who you have always been beneath the layers of conditioning and identification with form. Now, it's most important to understand the practical implications. Understanding quantum consciousness is transformative, but how do you live from this understanding? How do you integrate these insights into your daily experience? This is where ancient wisdom and modern science offer practical guidance. First, recognize that every moment offers an opportunity to choose consciously. In the gap between stimulus and response lies your power to collapse the quantum field of possibilities into the reality you prefer. This gap is actually where free will operates, not as the ego's desperate attempts to control outcomes, but as consciousness itself choosing which potentials to actualize. Practice observing your thoughts rather than being your thoughts. Thoughts arise in the field of your awareness like clouds in the sky. The sky remains unchanged whether clouds are present or absent. Similarly, your essential nature remains pure awareness regardless of what thoughts, emotions, or sensations are present. This shift from identification from mental content with the mental content to identification with awareness itself is the practical foundation of the quantum consciousness leap. From this foundation, you can begin to consciously participate in the creation of your reality rather than unconsciously reacting to circumstances. Meditation becomes not just relaxation but quantum coherence training. When you settle into deep stillness, you are literally aligning your individual consciousness with a unified field. In this alignment, healing happens naturally. Creativity flows effortlessly and solutions emerge spontaneously from the field of infinite possibilities. Pay attention to synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences that seem too perfect to be random. These are communications from the field, confirmations that you are aligned with the flow of universal intelligence. The more you acknowledge and appreciate synchronicities, the more they occur, creating a feedback loop between your consciousness and the organizing power of the cosmos. Practice gratitude not as positive thinking but as recognition of the miraculous nature of existence itself. Gratitude aligns you with the creative principle of the universe, the tendency towards increasing complexity, beauty, and consciousness that drives all evolution. Most importantly, remember that this journey is not about perfection but about awakening. Every moment of expanded awareness, however brief, contributes to the collective evolution of consciousness. Your individual awakening ripples out into the quantum field, affecting everyone and everything in ways you may never fully comprehend but can always trust. Now, let us understand the final aspect of the infinite game. As we conclude this exploration, take a moment to feel a profound implication of what we have discovered together. You are not a cosmic accident, not a random collection of atoms that somehow become or became self-aware. You are consciousness itself, temporarily focused through the lens of human experience, here to explore the infinite creativity of existence. The quantum consciousness leap is available to you in every moment. It requires no special techniques, no years of preparation, no external validation. It is as simple and as profound as recognizing what you truly are beneath all the stories, all the identifications, all the learned limitations. You are the consciousness that observes thoughts, not the thoughts themselves. You are the awareness that experiences emotions, not the emotions themselves. You are the field in which all experiences arise, not any particular experience. This is not philosophy. This is the direct recognition of your true nature. The universe is not separate from you. You are the universe becoming conscious of itself through human awareness. Every breath you take is the cosmos breathing. Every heartbeat is the rhythm of existence itself. Every moment of love, wonder, or appreciation is the universe celebrating its own magnificent creativity. The quantum consciousness leap is not a destination, it's a way of being. It's a recognition that life is not a problem to be solved, but a mystery to be lived, not a test to be passed, but a dance to be danced, not a journey towards some future awakening, but the celebration of what has always been true. Welcome to the infinite game of consciousness, exploring itself through the miracle of your unique perspective. The leap is available now, the field is always present, your true nature is eternally free. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.